在4月8号的时候，北美洲将会迎来日全食的天文奇景哦。墨西哥、美国、加拿大境内许多地方都是很适合观测的地点，但是美国的民众可能没有办法顺利来目睹所谓日全食了，因为异常的气候几乎肆虐了美国全境。冬季的风暴在4月份侵袭了美国东北以及中部，至少有800万人受灾，还有63万户呢因此断电的。大雪甚至出现在了加州地区，那么豪雨和洪灾也同时袭击了各地。龙卷风呢，则是席卷了美中地区、美南9州，许多人瞬间是无家可归的。全美现在5000万人都受到影响。
And on the 8th of April, what a few very lucky people are going to be able to see across parts of the world is a total solar eclipse.
被称为北美大日食的4月8日日全食，在墨西哥、美国、加拿大将有最佳视角。许多美国民众与游客已准备前往日食路径上的15个州观测，但这天有异象，却可能被天有不测风云完全遮挡。风暴系统笼罩美国东北部、中西部，而美中美南则有龙卷风、雷暴与豪雨酿灾。
CHP closed the road due to driving safety concerns.
It was really fun. This is my third time. And this is my little brother's second time. We were throwing snowballs at each other.
赶在山区封路前，不少加州圣荷西民众带孩子看到了难得的4月雪。美国国家气象局表示，这场异常寒冷的风暴携带极地冷气团。除了加州雨雪交加，从落基山脉、五大湖区到美国东北与中部，多州都笼罩在大雪中。
This storm dumping several inches of snow on parts of northern Maine and New Hampshire. The powerful winter storm knocking out power to more than 500,000 people.
经历2023年末至2024年初100年来美国最暖冬后，许多人忽然面对诡异的第2个冬天。
The National Weather Service says higher elevations of Maine could see another 2 feet of snow.
It's really hard shoveling. It's super wet.
全美800万人接到冬季风雪预警，但复活节过后本该是春季了。不少公立学校与政府部门因风雪关闭，大雪也打乱至少数10架美国国内航班。从西维吉尼亚州到缅因州，63万户家庭和企业断电中，目前知道纽约市有1人因风雪吹倒树被压身亡。
This has been a wild week for weather. Tuesday night, millions of Americans were slammed with severe storms and even tornadoes.
Outages peaking at roughly 170,000 customers without power by midday.
We had the ice storm last weekend, so within a short period of time, many of our customers were impacted for the second time in a very short period. So be patient. We're not going to rest till the last customer is restored.
中西部南部甚至到东海岸共9个州，至少23个龙卷风先后冲击。乔治亚州、肯塔基州、俄亥俄州与西维吉尼亚州受灾严重，部分以拖车为家的民众只能庆幸小命还在。
It was definitely a tornado. I think it might have just missed us by a few feet. You guys okay? Okay, good. What the hell? This literally took 15 seconds. 15 seconds is all it took. Okay.
I will be declaring a state of emergency for the entire Jefferson County. That will assist our public agencies in the procurement processes to speed up all of the recovery needed that is needed to clean up following this storm.
恶劣天气不止如此，从密苏里州到宾州，各地出现冰雹和豪雨，洪水警报甚至包括纽约与华府等重要大城市的部分地区。民众也确实感觉到近年来气候异常，让季节与天气秩序乱了套。
Yeah, it's maybe the tens of thousands. I mean, the car's going to be a total loss.
This happens once like every 2 years.
豪雨也侵袭加州，风景优美的1号公路发生坍方，半条车道消失。加州气象单位警告，本周大雨过后，还可能出现冰雹、闪电以及低海拔地区的降雪。TVBS 新闻综合报道。